Today I show you how to install a screen protector on the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. Here I have the Spigen GLASStR Easy Fit Pro. It has two screen protectors. I don't know what's this alumina core. I hope it's transparent, but yeah, clarity 100%, hopefully. And usually the problem I have, there is a lot of dust. Okay, before you start with this, you have to remove the case. Okay, the case is out. I'll wipe the case a little bit. This is a mag fit case. There is a magnet in here. See what's inside the box now. Okay, let's see what's in this box. So the whole thing is one assembly. Okay, user manual. There is an installation pad, cleaning wipe, microfiber, dust removal sticker. Lift this thing, put it, arrange it properly, align it both sides, and then pull this. Oh, that should be easy. And then press and slide, wait 30 seconds, remove this thing, remove the template, re-register your fingerprint, have this film in the correct position. It has to come outside, and then you insert it. Okay, so this is one installation pad. You have this, yeah, I guess this will pull the protective layer from below. Microfiber cloth, which looks pretty good. 2 lens cleaning wipes, 2 dust stickers, okay, and 2 templates. When you pull, it comes out like this, pulls the whole thing. You also have this bubble remover and the template, the installation pad. This is the installation pad. Press the power button and the volume up at the same time, and you get the power menu, and choose power off, shut down. This is so it doesn't start showing any menus while I install the screen protector. And the top of the phone is on the left side here. Take one of these lens cleaning and a dust pad, have it nearby, and this thing for the end. Hopefully I don't need it. Okay, so this is the screen protector. I will install it like this. The top goes here, so do not press, and then this part has to be pulled out like that, and then I put it on top of the phone, hold it from here, from these sides, not from here or from here, and then it should be just, I have to pull this thing and it's gonna work like a magic. Hopefully it's going to remove dust. I want to wipe this a little bit, so because it might have some dust on it, because this is going to touch the display before the screen protector comes in. I want to make sure that this is all clean here, so I put it face down on top of the other screen protector. Lens cleaning wipe, which removes dust, oil, and yeah, fingerprints. Let's see. So this is a wet wipe. Okay, these things will dry out pretty quickly, so I have to be quick about it. All the way to the edges. You can see it's like a detergent. It makes a little bit of foam there, all the way to the edges. And now that microfiber cloth. Dust sticker. Oh, it's not sticking too much, so it's easy to use. I like that. I'm trying not to touch the screen with my fingers. I'll wipe this with the microfiber provided by them. I have this ready upside down. Now it's safe, so if there's any dust there, it's how it is. But I'm hoping that this film will pull the dust away from the phone. So the top of the phone is on this side, and I have to hold from these edges here, not to touch anywhere, just pull this. I just have to use this pull tab, and it should hopefully pull the screen protector in place. Let's go. So I hold it here and I pull it. You see there is this film inside there. Okay. So this thing, yeah, hopefully it removes the dust as it pulls it. I have to press and you see it, it's doing that thing. Press and slide. Remove this part from here. Okay, step 3. Okay, this part is gone. I should just lift it. Just like that. This is the moment of truth. Wow, I think there's no dust. Okay, there are some air pockets. You have an air pocket like this one. You just use the squeegee. Use the squeegee to remove it. Just like that. There's one air pocket next to the camera. You use the squeegee to remove it. It comes out. Just like that. When it's a bit close to the edge, it doesn't stick. I think it just needs a bit more time. Sticker to remind you. Oh, there is one more for the squeegee here. Oh, I hope it's not dust, this one. I use the corner of this thing. The air is okay, you remove it easily, but the problem is when there is a dust particle under, then you can't remove it. Yeah, so it's gone. They're gone here. Yeah, you see them, they're gone. And more. Yeah, I can't see even one dust particle that shows. Maybe there are some that are stuck in the glue, but this is a really great result. So thanks Spigen for making this. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money, but I say thanks for making it so easy. Yeah, I have to re-register the fingerprint. This screen protector is really smooth. I like how it glides, has a really nice feel. See the device unlock, delete them, and I will add the fingerprint again. Yeah, it's easier. A few bubbles on the edge there. I did it with the edge and they're gone. Now it can go back into the case. So clean the case a little bit. And so it really aligns well to the edges. The case is also Spigen and I had to re-registering the fingerprints. It's working pretty well. And the case protects really well. I wish the case had a bit darker edges here, just towards the screen. Yeah, the face unlock should be also working. Yeah, the face unlock also worked. Everything is really well arranged there. Wow. Thanks for watching.